I'm making a whole meal today. It's going to be spaghetti sauce with meatballs. But it's not just that. I'm making my own tomato sauce with tomatoes that I had picked from my garden during the summer. You can also do something like that. I had it in the freezer this whole time. So this is January and I had it since like August. Keep watching. Yeah, this is still hard, but I'm gonna break it all up and get this going. Okay? Alright. For the onions, I'm gonna grate it. I don't like big chunks of onions in my food, but if you don't mind onions, big pieces, just chop it up. Okay? But I'm gonna grate this finely. Putting in all the little scallion and thyme. I already grated the onion, so that went in. It was more juice than hard, parts. Get most of it just squeeze out into juice. That's the parsley. Sprinkle some in. You don't have to use parsley. This is the salt. I like the parsley to give those little, it give a little texture. Also the scallion will give a little texture to your food, to the so it's not just meat look, it has another color. All right, I think I put enough salt, but if it's not, I'll add some more. I had 2 beaten eggs in that container, and I put some in here because I don't want to put all of it and then I'm not sure, if I'm going to need all of it. So I'm going to add some breadcrumbs now. Just going to add some breadcrumbs. You could buy breadcrumbs or you could make your own. I'm putting like 4 large spoonfuls. I'll see if that's enough. Then we're gonna stir it up. 5. I put 5. Hi Chloe, what are you doing?
I'm making meatballs.
Okay. Alright, don't put it down. You gotta roll it in your hand. Alright, take them off. Come over. Yeah. Alright, you don't have to go crazy and don't squeeze it too hard. Let me see. Okay, that's good. Good job. Maybe too small though.
Okay, I'll make a little bit bigger.
Not too big. That's too much, I think. Alright, if anything, I can always take some out. Alright, yeah, put it in your hand and roll it. Roll him. Just like this. Alright, once it's rolled, you put it in that plate. And I'm going to put the oil in the pot in the meantime. I'm going to use the Instapot this time. And I put it on saute. It gets hot and you can fry in it. So let's put a little oil, not too much, just to cover the bottom. Maybe a little bit.
They're gonna be different sizes.
Okay. Yeah, it's okay if it's different sizes. All right, let that heat up and we'll finish the meatballs.
And just add a little bit more.
Yeah, if it's too small.
Then use all this meat.
All right, so I'll come and help. Ready for me to come and help, or you want to make another one?
I'm gonna make another.
Okay.
Grandma-daughter bond. Grandma-daughter bond.
Yeah, like we always do. Grandma-granddaughter.
Yeah. Oh yeah, granddaughter, not daughter.
Grandma-granddaughter bond.
Is it gonna be
I like that.
Slightly big?
It's okay. I'll take over now. You could film me.
Okay.
Yes, all right, go. Finish that.
Okay. It's cold. The meat, it's cold.
So the oil is heating up now. We can start putting them in once I think the oil is heated up a little bit more. All right, let me finish because it's gonna take too long. So you can take over here and just focus here.
As you can see, the crock pot is now it's on.
And it's heating up.
To make our
hot
meatballs.
Okay.
See, look how she's doing it. She's gonna roll it and roll it and roll it.
And I did burn my hand the other day, so don't look at my scar. Burn it in the toaster oven. You think I'd know better. Alright, let's do this. Let's see how much we get out of this 1 pound of meat.
Yeah,
and guys, I did finish using all the... I used the 2 eggs. So
make sure when you're done making balls, you wash your hand.
When you're starting and when you finish. You remember you had to wash your hand?
Because you to get sick if you don't wash your.
Focus right. Okay. All right, so we're gonna finish up now. You can got all of 11 meatballs, of course, of varying sizes between me and Chloe. We have different. I did put a little more oil in the pot because the middle is kind of higher and the sides are lower, so the oil wasn't touching the center. So you can see the oil. Yeah, but by the time we put more around the sides, the oil will come up in the middle. So I'm just waiting for it to heat up a little more. You can see the meatballs are almost finished, and I'm just going to turn them to cover those, so that the white sides get a little brown. But they're done, mostly. So, on to making the spaghetti sauce and the macaroni. I'm finished with the meatballs. They're brown and nice they are. So I'm going to move on to making the sauce. And I'm going to use some of the oil that is left in this pot that I fried the meatballs with to help to make the sauce. Use back for the sauce. So I put some garlic in a pot, and I put some tomatoes that I had from the summertime in the freezer. I just took them out because I didn't have any sauce. I forgot. So anyway, I just took them out and I boiled them. Season them up, cut up some of the little onion that was left. Didn't put no scallion, but just onion and garlic I put in there. And I bring it to a boil. And let it boil. I let it boil vigorously. I just wanted it pure and simple. So I let it boil vigorously until they were soft. When they were soft, I continue mixing them out with pulse them with the hand blender, immersion blender, anything you want to call it. And I pulse it out. Actually, I was doing it and didn't realize once I was done, I put the meatballs back in the pot, and I pour the sauce on top of them. I think I added a small bit of salt, not much, with black pepper, and stuff like that. Stirred it up, and my meatballs were ready. Onto the spaghetti. So I had these 2 boxes with half spaghetti, so that's what I used. I put the water to boil and added my spaghetti. I just let them fall. As the bottom gets soft, the rest fall right into the pot. Yeah, and I added some more because it just wasn't enough, so I added more. Excuse the stove, it has a lot of spaghetti sauce on it because it's on the other side. So once my spaghetti was done, well, I let it boil. They call it al dente. I don't like it al dente. The kids don't like it al dente, and this is mostly for them because I don't love spaghetti to that. But this is something I try to make things for the kids that they love so that they'll eat, and try to give them something as healthy as possible. That's why I made my own sauce. Love things fresh. If you can get fresh, then you don't need canned and tin stuff. Spaghetti is cooked, and I share out. This is one of the kids' dinner. 3 meatballs on top of the sauce. I did give them some more sauce. I realized when they got it, they didn't have enough sauce. Sprinkle some cheese on top, and that's the dinner. And they ate everything. They ate everything and asked for more. I had to give them some more. Good thing I made more spaghetti. This is something you want to think about. It's something, it's easy to do. It's not hard to do. It's a couple steps. Anyway, I want to thank you today for watching. And I hope you enjoyed this video and will make it. And please subscribe if you haven't. And please press on the bell beside subscribe so that you'll get notifications.